Hello.
Welcome to our class. Nice to see you today. All right. Cherry, can you hear and see teacher?
Yes.
All right. Now, Cherry, today we will learn the lesson, okay, about your new passport, please. All right. We are going to read a new dialogue. Cherry, look. What can you see in the picture? Okay, let's answer these questions. Cherry, look at picture number 1. Are you, what's this? Are you French?
Are you French?
Very good. Now look at picture number 2. Are you, what's this? Are you Italian?
Are you Italian?
Yes, now Cherry, look at picture number 3. Are you Japanese?
Are you Japanese?
Very good. And last, Cherry, what's this?
Are you
American?
American?
Very good. Okay, again, let's say it one by one. Using this question. Are you French?
Are you French?
Are you?
Are you Italian?
Yes.
Are you Japanese?
Good.
Are you American?
Good job. Now, Cherry, let's read. Okay, the dialogue. Your passport, please. Okay. Now I am the custom officer. Okay, and you are the girls. Okay. Let's answer. Okay, let's start. Are you Swedish?
No, we are not. We are
Danish. We are Danish.
we are Danish.
All right. Are your friends Danish too?
No, they aren't. They are
Norwegian.
Norwegian.
Your passports, please. Here.
Here they are.
Are these your cases?
No, they aren't.
Our cases.
Our cases are brown. Here they are.
Are you tourists?
Yes, we are.
Are your friends tourists too?
Yes, they are.
That's fine.
Thank you very much.
Very good. Okay, now, Cherry, I am the girls. You are the custom officer. Are you?
Are you Swedish?
No, we are not. We are Danish.
Are your friends
Danish too?
Danish too?
No, they aren't. They are Norwegian.
Your
Passports?
passports, please.
Here they are.
Are these your case?
No, they aren't. Our cases are brown. Here they are.
Are you
Tourists? Yes, we are.
Are your friends
Tourists.
tourists too?
Yes, they are.
That's fun.
Thank you very much. Now, Cherry, let's answer these questions. Number 1. The girls' cases are purple. A, yes. B, no. C, doesn't say. What is your answer? It's letter
B.
B, correct. Their cases are brown. Right, next, let's answer number 2. The girls are tourists. A, yes. B, no. C, doesn't say. It's letter A, yes. Okay, it is. Are you tourists? Yes, we are. So they are tourists. Now, Cherry, number 3. The girls' friends are classmates. A, yes. B, no. C, doesn't say. Letter?
C.
Yes, letter C. It doesn't say in the dialogue. Right now, Cherry. Let's answer. Okay, let's read. What nationality are the girls? Okay, now let's read your passport, please. Are you Swedish? No.
No, we are not. We are
Danish.
Danish.
That's right. Again, Cherry, what is? Okay, what nationality are the girls? They are
They are
Danish.
Danish.
Yes. Are your friends Danish too?
No, they aren't.
They are Norwegian. Yes. What nationality are the girls' friends? They are Norwegian.
Norwegian.
Correct. Okay, now, Cherry. Dialogues. Number 1. Are you Canadian? Look at the picture. Are you Canadian?
Yes.
Yes, we are. Very good. Next, look at number 2. Are you French?
No, we aren't. We are Japanese.
Correct. Very good. Okay, now number 3, Cherry. Look. Are you? What's this? Are you French?
Are you French? Yes, we are.
Very good. Now, number 4. Are you? Are you Chinese?
Are you Chinese?
No, we aren't.
No, we are
We are American.
American.
That's right. Now, Cherry, let's read this dialogue. Your passports, please.
Here they are.
Are these your cases?
No, they aren't.
Our cases
Our
are...
faces are brown. Here they are.
Very good. Okay, what color are the girls' cases? Are they purple? No. Their cases are...
Brown.
Very good. Okay, now, Cherry, let's have these examples. Now, let's read. Are these your cases? Yes. Okay, are these your cases? Yes, they are.
Yes, they are.
No, they aren't.
No, they aren't.
All right. Okay, now, Cherry, let's answer. Fill in the blanks. Look, are these your books? Yes.
Yes,
They are.
they are.
Yeah. And
No,
then,
no,
they
aren't.
yes, no, they aren't. Very good. Okay, let me type your answer. Right, good job, Cherry. Very good. Again, are these your books? Yes.
Yes, they are. No, they aren't.
Right. Are these your cases?
Yes, they are. No,
They aren't.
they aren't.
Very good. Now, Cherry, let's read. Okay. The customs officer and the girls. Let's read their dialogue. Are you tourists?
Yes, we are.
Are your friends tourists too?
Yes, they are.
That's fine.
Thank you very much.
Very good. Okay, now, Cherry, that's fine means that's okay. Okay. Or it means everything, it's okay, and you can go. Now, let's read the example. This is
my
passport.
passport.
That's
That's fine.
good. Okay, next, this is
My
ticket.
This is my ticket.
That's what's your answer? That's fine.
That's fine.
Okay. Okay, let me type the word here. That's fine. Okay. That's fine is equal to, okay, that's okay. All right. Okay, now again, Cherry, this is my passport. That's, look, this is my passport. That's fine.
That's fine.
This is my ticket.
That's fine.
Very good. Next, Cherry, let's read the dialogues. Your passports, please. Okay. Teacher is the custom officer. You are the girls. Let's start. Are you Swedish?
No, they are not. We are
Danish.
Danish.
Are your friends Danish too?
No, they are not. They are
Norwegian.
Norwegian.
Your passports, please.
Here they are.
Are these your cases?
No, they
Aren't.
aren't. All cases are brown. Here they are.
Very good. Okay, now, are you tourists?
Yes, we are.
Are your friends tourists too?
Yes, they are.
That's fine.
Thank you very much.
Okay, now let's switch roles, Cherry. I am the girls. You are the police or the customs officer. Are you Swedish?
Are you Swedish?
No, we are not. We are Danish.
Are your friends Danish too?
No, they aren't. They are Norwegian.
Your passport, please.
Here they are.
Are these your cases?
No, they aren't. Our cases are brown.
Are you tourists?
Yes, we are.
Are you friends tourists too?
Yes, they are.
That's fine.
Thank you very much. Right, very good. Now, Cherry, let's fill in the blanks. Okay, let's answer. Number 1. The girls are Danish.
The girls are Danish.
Okay, next. What is your answer? The girls' friends.
The girls' friends are not Danish.
Okay, next. Blank are Norwegian. They are Norwegian.
Norwegian. Their cases are brown.
Yes, next. The girls
are tourists.
Their friends.
Their friends are tourists too.
Very good. Again, let's read one more time. The girls are
Danish. The girls' friends are not Danish. They are
Norwegian.
Their cases are brown. The girls are tourists. Their friends are tourists too.
Very good. Okay, now, Cherry, let's choose the best answer. Okay, number 1. Are you Chinese? Is it? Are you Chinese? No, we are blank. A are, B is, C isn't, D aren't.
No, we orange.
Okay, letter
D.
Yes, it's letter D. Correct. Okay, next, number 2. Are blank tourists? Yes, they are. A, your friend. B, your friends. C, your friends. Or D, your friends. A, B, C, or D? Are your letter? Let's type letter B. Are your friends?
Are your friends
Tourists too?
rescue?
Yes, they are. Again, are your friends tourists? Yes, they are. Right now, number 3. Cherry, look.
Are these your places? Yes. Yes, they are.
Yes, A, B, C, or D?
B.
Yes, correct. It's letter B. Good job. Yes, they are. Okay, let me type. Very good. Let's letter B. All right. Now, Cherry, again, let's read. Okay, the sentences with the right answers. Okay, let's start from number 1. Are you Chinese?
No,
Aren't.
we
Very
aren't.
good. Next, number 2.
Are your friends dressed? Yes, they are.
Job. Next.
Are these your cases? Yes, they are.
Very good. Are these your cases? Yes, they are. Okay, Cherry, let's spell these words, okay, one by one. French. F-R. F-R-E.
F-R-E-N-C-H.
Very
French.
good. Next, Italian. Italian.
Italian.
I.
I-T-N-L-I-A-N.
Very
Italian.
good. Next, Danish.
Danish.
Yes.
D-A-N-I-S-H. Danish.
Next, Norwegian.
Norwegian. N-O-R-E-E-G-I-A-N.
Very good. Next, Japanese.
Japanese. J-A-P-A-N-E-S-E. Japanese.
Very good. Next, American.
American. A-M-E-R-I-C-A-N. American.
Next, Chinese.
Chinese. C-H-I-N-E-S-E. Chinese.
Very good job, Cherry. That's wonderful. All right, now let me give you your trophy and your awards for today. You got your trophy and you got your award. Okay, let me also give you some fruits and foods. All right. Did you see it? All right. And cakes and lollipop. Okay, and pizza. All right, and another star. Thank you. Great job in answering the exercises. Congratulations. Just practice what we've learned today, okay? All right, Cherry, bye for now. Thank you so much. Be happy, be good, be safe. Bye-bye.